one idea.
Shall we?
Absolutely.
Woohoo! We could do this.
Do what?
We can save this campaign. We could do something amazing.
Something amazing.
Okay, so I've got everything neatly organized, a spreadsheet, notes, some sort of graph.
How many ideas do we have so far?
0.
Okay, I have an idea. What if we make a horror movie starring the Tab S9?
Because it shows true blacks?
Yeah, that's why I said it.
Wait, shouldn't it be about the vivid colors?
What about a horror sitcom?
Better, but sitcoms just aren't cinematic enough.
Your shiny round face isn't cinematic enough.
What about this? A Tab S9 comic book.
Boring. Hold on, wait. What powers are we talking about? Invisibility?
Even better, he can read my Tab S9 in bright sunlight.
I can see the screen perfectly.
Well, it's not really a superpower. It's a feature on the tab. Just gonna drag and drop. What if we made a dating show and people are matched by their favorite feature?
Guys, please reveal your tablets. Sorry, guys. Please join the other singles in the pit of shame.
The pit of what? Ow. How long do I have to be down here?
Don't know. It's your idea.
Guys, what are you doing?
Surviving. If it wasn't for the Tab S9's capabilities to play high-performance video games powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. If it wasn't for this high-performance processor, none of us could have kept going. But now, I feel like there's a world where I win.
I win. All our ideas are hot garbage.
I'm so sorry.
These are your ideas on the Tab S9 that's water resistant?
Well,
And this last idea, the one where 2 interns work ridiculously hard, coming up with no idea until they finally come up with an idea?
yeah, we're gonna call it C Great, Be Great.
Tell me more.
Well, picture this. It opens on 2 hunky interns.
Forget the snacks already. We should work on this Galaxy Tab S9 project. It's a premium tablet that comes with amazing features.
Cut!